Hello.
Hi.
Ready? It's already so
So
pretty.
excited to see you all.
Likewise. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Really excited to head over there.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah.
So the journey.
Are you guys preparing for a photo shoot together?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm preparing for the photo shoot. Thank you so much, Miss Philippines.
Tell me.
Everything.
Now you
Yeah.
see the organization, they doesn't need me anymore because they already
That's
have
true.
Madam Mook.
That's true. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Kidding, sir. You, of course. Thank you so much, Bella. Thank you.
Bye bye Bella.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi.
How are you?
How are you? How do you feel after yesterday?
Even more excited. So being Mr. Cosmo is one thing, but also knowing who Miss Cosmo is super exciting as well.
Yeah.
And I'm also very excited to see you in person.
We are too. We're very excited to see you. I
Yeah.
watched the video of your interview this morning.
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely.
Yeah.
So-
very lovely.
Definitely we are proud to bring Mr. Cosmo to the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the spirit.
So mga kapolitika, inyo po nga napanood at narinig itong video ni Tran Viet Bawang at itong si Bella Ismail ang mag-representative ng ating bansa dito sa Miss Cosmo 2026. So ngayon pa lang ay excited na itong si Henry dito sa laban ni Bella sa Miss Cosmo para ngayong taon. At dahil dito mga kapolitika, sa sobrang panatiko nga ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa mundo ng beauty pageant, ay tayo mabango tayo sa mga organization kung saan ay gustong makuha ang loob ng mga Filipino supporters, dahil tayo po ay marami, milyon tayo na kung saan ay mahilig pagdating sa beauty pageant. So aside dito sa balita sa Miss Cosmo, ay dito naman po tayo sa Miss Charm, dahil pinost po ng Miss Charm page yung ating maging delegate doon na si April Smith. So apparently ay talagang napansin mga kapolitika itong isang pageant din na mula sa Vietnam, and we are hoping na ito yung first crown ng Pilipinas dito sa Miss Charm beauty pageant competition. So sabi dito ng kanilang page official, congrats to April Smith, Miss Charm Philippines 2026. April Smith is a beauty queen from historic city of Cebu, Philippines. For the past 3 years, she has proudly worked as an overseas Filipino worker in Singapore, building her career in the hospitality industry while engaging with people from diverse cultures and backgrounds. Through this experience, she has developed a deeper understanding of the world and the vital role that heritage, culture, and human connection play in fostering a more inclusive global community. Recognized for her elegance, confidence, and captivating stage presence, April seamlessly balances her career as a hotelier with her passion for sports, wellness, and championing Filipino culture and values. Recently crowned Miss Charm Philippines 2026, she now prepares to represent the Philippines on the international stage with pride and purpose. Through the spirit of Miss Charm, she hopes to promote the country's rich culture, heritage, breathtaking tourist destinations, and the warmth of the Filipino people while building meaningful global connections that inspires unity, understanding, and cultural appreciation. Let's support Miss Charm Philippines 2026 on her journey to Miss Charm. So yun po yung pinaka-latest na update, at dito mga kapolitika, masasabi natin na tayo ay importante pagdating sa beauty pageant dahil milyon ang mga Pilipino na sumusuporta sa beauty pageant. So malaki rin po yung audience na makukuha nila, kung kaya mahilig sila na pabalik-balik dito sa Pilipinas. So yun yung matatawag natin na advantage ng mga Pilipino pag nagko-compete, kasi yung mga Filipina beauty queen ay talagang all out ang support ng mga Pinoy, kung kaya tayo ay isang powerhouse na bansa pagdating sa beauty pageant competition. Ano mga kapolitika ang inyong masasabi dito sa pag-uusap ni Bella Ismail at ni Tran Viet Bawang or ni Henry? Ito ba ay magandang panimula para sa ating laban sa Miss Cosmo? Mag-comment down below. At huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Hey, happy to see you
After a
too.
long time. How does it feel like? Nakoronahan mo na yung
Oh, diba? My guess was right. Well, I'm just so happy. I think you saw my reaction kanina. I was really like shocked, but at the same time very happy. I think she really deserved that title. She really deserved the Miss Cosmo Philippines crown. I know that she will definitely rock that competition. I actually told her that just tell me if you need anything. I'll be, happy and willing to help her.
off the top of your head, anong ma-advise mo sa kanya ngayon, kay Stella ngayon?
Napakadami. Especially, okay, that Miss Cosmo is really into engagement. They're into really contents. So I think that is one of the things that I could really tell to Bella Ismael.
Alam mo, I wonder, speaking of content, do you do and edit your own content?
Sometimes I do it, but the Miss Cosmo organization is really supportive when it comes to making contents. Oo.
Katulad yan, nag-deal kayo ni Sir Henry.
Oh, yes.
Nag-edit doon.
Diba? Oo. So dito talaga lumalabas yung pagiging artistic ng tao sa Miss Cosmo. Kasi ang daming aspect na ilalabas nila yung skills mo. So tatanungin ka din nila kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo mangyari sa reign mo. So isa yun, sabi ko, gusto ko, I want to explore more in the hosting gigs, like hosting pageant, hosting events. So binibigyan nila ako ng opportunity. So very open sila sa collaboration. Kaya napaka-happy ko talaga sa position na meron ako now.
Even ikaw ang happy kami rin because you've been setting a good example.
Thank
What
you.
it's like to be a title holder of Miss Cosmo. Parang in a way, with what you're showing to everyone, parang you're all
Let's go.
in the way.
Thank you so much.
Everyone's in this pageant
Thank you
system.
so
Do you feel that
much.
same? Do you feel the same way?
Not really, but thank you. I do appreciate it. Especially if people see my potential and they recognize the things that I do. So, nakakataba ng puso. Thank you.
Nakakatuwa ka. Parang feeling ko nga after rain mo, pwede ka na mag-showbiz as mo-phone.
Wala, totoo ba?
Saka commercial na yung face mo, parang
Thank you, Sir Abby.
hindi lang yun eh. Gustong-gusto mo, nararamdaman namin gustong-gusto mo yung ginagawa mo.
Super happy. Nagra-radiate talaga eh. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga mafe-fake yung happiness. So, ibig sabihin, totoo talaga, genuine yung nafe-feel ko inside. Oo. So, again, good luck to our newly crowned Miss Cosmo Philippines.
For sure na magiging generous ka sa mga advice.
Oo, for sure. Hindi ako magdadamot, I promise. Kasi at the end of the day, we're a family, we're a team, and we're really looking forward to getting the first ever Miss Cosmo crown for the Philippines. So I really happy ako talaga, happy ako. Gusto ko talaga makuha ng Philippines ang Miss Cosmo crown. Kasi napakaganda talaga ng organization, Miss Cosmo. Again, this is not all about sparkle and sophistication. This is also about charity works, humanitarian efforts. So, balance siya, kumbaga, ang Miss Cosmo. So, perfect for Bella. Thank you po.
Nice to see you again. Enjoy the rest of your time here in
Thank
Manila.
you.
Have a great time back to watching me. May idea na ba kung kailan na Miss Cosmo? Wala pa, no?
Pili ko December.
Hindi ko makapag-book ng mukhang masayang Cosmo.
Ulit.
Sana, oo. Para malapit.
Thank you.
All right, let's go.